Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the globally beloved Toyota Corolla, the best-selling car in the world. We'll explore everything from its engine and performance to tires, oil maintenance, fuel economy, and full specifications. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of this iconic vehicle. Let's get started. The 2025 Toyota Corolla comes equipped with a 2.0-liter inline, four-cylinder, dynamic force gasoline engine. It delivers 169 horsepower at 6,600 RPM and 151 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 RPM. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission with standard front-wheel drive. Thanks to this efficient setup, the Corolla delivers an impressive 32 miles per gallon in the city, 41 on the highway, and 35 combined. With a 13.2-gallon fuel tank, the Corolla can travel up to 422 miles in the city and 541 miles on the highway on a single fill-up, making it incredibly practical for both daily commuting and long road trips. When it comes to tires, the recommended pressure for the 2025 Corolla is generally 35 psi under normal load. If you're carrying heavier cargo, it's better to increase it slightly to around 38 psi. Correct tire pressure is essential for safety, better mileage, and even tread wear. For oil maintenance, Toyota's official guide recommends changing the engine oil and filter every 50,000 miles or 60 months. However, most experienced mechanics and Corolla owners suggest a shorter interval, around every 5,000 miles or 6 months, especially if you're using full synthetic oil. This helps keep the engine running smoothly and extends its lifespan. In terms of size, the Corolla measures about 182.5 inches in length, 70.1 inches in width, and 56.5 inches in height, with a wheelbase of around 106.3 inches. It offers 13.1 cubic feet of cargo space and has a curb weight of approximately 2,955 pounds. Safety features include Toyota's Safety Sense Suite, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, a pre-collision system, ABS, and traction control. Technology-wise, the Corolla offers an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen, or up to 10.25 inches on higher trims, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 6 speakers, and multiple USB ports. To sum it up, the 2025 Toyota Corolla is an efficient, reliable, and well-equipped compact sedan. With its solid engine, excellent fuel economy, practical maintenance schedule, and modern safety and tech features, it truly earns its reputation as a worldwide favorite. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments what car you'd like me to cover next, and I'll see you in the next video.